sure your hands, arms, feet, legs, parasols, and bowler hats stay inside the tray. And please keep an eye on our junior riders.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
By now, you've probably noticed I'm not just conducting the train today. I'm also conducting a bit of an experiment. You know the old saying, sometimes you have to go backward to go forwards? Well, today we're putting that to the test by heading to Storybook Circus, caboose first. And Tomorrowland is the perfect place for experimentation. That's why I invited my favorite little experiment to ride along with us today. Folks, say hello to Experiment 626. Although you might know him as...
Stitch! Mr. Conductor, can Stitch drive the train? I can do it! Choo-choo! All aboard!
Well, Stitch, I was thinking you could be my co-conductor for a spell. And help me tell our passengers about all the wonderful sights and sounds in Tomorrowland.
Stitch got this! Welcome to tomorrow. To left, tomorrow. To right, more tomorrow. Stitch, you good?
You're a natural, Stitch.
Thanks. And Stitch, blow the whistle?
Oh, not just yet, my friend. There are so many more exciting things to talk about in Tomorrowland.
More exciting than a whistle?
You bet. You see that astro orbiter, Stitch? From up there in those rockets, you can see everything in Tomorrowland, including the Tomorrowland Speedway.
Oh, but Stitch have no driver's license.
You don't need a license to drive in Tomorrowland, Stitch.
No license? No problem. Stitch love going fast. Almost as much as Stitch wants to blow the whistle.
If you want to go fast, Stitch, why not race across the grid with Team Blue on Tron Light Cycle Run?
Team Blue? Stitch is blue.
Stitch, I think you'd make a wonderful addition to the grid. Well, would you look at that? It's almost whistle time! Scurry on down to the other end of the train and use that big old please on the engineer. And don't forget to use those thank yous.
And Princess Ringo to the home. These Cinderella and Princess Diana. Prince Charming, y'all did the carousel? Y'all did the carousel? Hello? What you showing me?
Oh my God.
You better, I need to see the details of that face stub.
You see that 670 whatever Arby picked that
Well done, Stitch. Say, you want to stick around and help me introduce these fine folks to Storybook Circus? I think you'll love it, Stitch. You'll see great feats of strength.
Stitch is strong. Watch.
Animals of all shapes and sizes.
Are they cute and fluffy?
You bet your bottom dollar. There are even elephants with ears so large they can fly as high as the rockets we just left behind.
Flying elephants?
At Storybook Circus and in Tomorrowland, anything is possible.
Ooh, maybe Stitch joined circus.
Sounds like you got some experimenting to do. Come on, Stitch.
They don't got no good.
Please stay seated until we come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings and little ones before exiting the train. And be sure to wait until you're safely on the platform to unfold those strollers. And now, friends, travelers, children of all ages, welcome to the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. Next stop, Main Street USA.
As we roll into the station, folks, please remain fully seated. Remain inside the train until I give you the 2 magic words of all clear. Only once you have fully parked will I give you those 2 magical safety words. So until then, for your own safety, please remain fully seated. And remain inside the train at all times. Thank you. Please remain seated, folks. This train is still in motion. Please remain seated, folks. We are almost there. Please remain fully seated, please, folks. Keep your feet inside the train. Please stay seated. We are almost there. Please wait. Please wait. All clear. It is now safe to disembark. Welcome to Fantasyland, sir.
And I'm so glad to have you with us. This train's headed straight for Main Street USA. We'll head on back to Fantasyland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on the straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Hi everyone, just a friendly reminder to please make sure all your little ones are fully seated while on board, and also please make sure everyone's fully clothed while on board. Thank you.
Oh, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. And I'm still awed by the rockets and SpaceX and
Unidentified users detected in public common area. Scan. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed with tron transit line clear. Once digitized, you may board your life cycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. Zero point victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. trip is almost complete. And though it was brief, I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After this, we'll circle back to Fantasyland. So, unless you're yearning for more of my yammering, this will be your stop. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street USA.
As we roll into the station, folks, please remain fully seated and remain inside the train until I give you the 2 magic words of all clear. Only once we have fully parked will I give you those 2 magic safety words. So until then, for your own safety, please remain fully seated. Remain inside the train, please. Remain fully seated, please, folks. Stay seated, please. All clear, it is now safe to disembark. Welcome to Main Street USA.